Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're comparing the Philips 3200 LatteGo espresso machine and the Jura E4, right? Both super automatic, but quite different.
Yeah, it looks like it. The Philips is around $600, but it's a renewed model. The Jura's brand new, but costs double at $1,300. Big price difference right off the bat.
Definitely a factor. The Philips boasts 5 coffee options with its LatteGo system for milk frothing. The Jura seems more focused on black coffee, like espresso and regular coffee, though it can do a cafe barista and lungo barista.
Right, the Jura is all about that professional aroma grinder and their pulse extraction process for optimal espresso. It sounds fancy. It also has a conical burr grinder.
The Philips has a ceramic grinder with 12 settings, from fine to coarse, and the aroma extract system. I like the idea of adjusting the grind so easily.
And the Jura has only 3 intensity levels to choose from. It is more about the quality of the espresso itself.
The Philips is lighter, around 21.6 pounds, versus the Jura's 22 pounds. Dimensions-wise, the Philips is 15 by 10 by 17 inches, and the Jura is 11 by 17.6 by 13.8 inches, so the Jura is wider.
The Jura's water tank holds 64 ounces, and the bean container holds 10 ounces. I don't see those specs for the Philips.
It does say the Philips has a LatteGo system, which is a big plus if you drink a lot of milk-based drinks. It seems like the Jura focuses more on the pure coffee experience, maybe for a coffee aficionado.
True, and the Jura has a lot of videos available that show its features, while the Philips has 0 videos.
The Philips has a rating of 4.1 stars with 55 ratings, and the Jura has 4.2 stars with 91 ratings.
So, if you're on a budget and want milk drinks, the Philips 3200 LatteGo, even renewed, seems like a good option. If you're serious about espresso and don't mind spending more, the Jura E4 might be the way to go.
Exactly. It really depends on your priorities and how much you're willing to spend for that perfect cup. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.